The world's energy lifeline runs through a narrow strip of sea, the Strait of Hormuz, and right now it sits in the middle of a widening Iran-US conflict. This waterway between Iran and Oman carries nearly 20% of world's oil. Every day, millions of barrels of crude and gas pass through lanes barely 3 kilometers wide. And now missiles are flying between Iran, Israel, US air bases in the Middle East. And as the conflict deepens, the biggest global fear is not just the battlefield. It's whether this crucial choke point stays open. On one side is Iran, on the other, Oman. This waterway between Iran and Oman is just 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point. But the shipping lanes that the tankers actually use are barely 3 kilometers across in each direction. And through this tiny gap flows nearly 20% of world's oil. That's more than 20 million barrels daily. In 2025, it remained the world's second busiest oil choke point after the Strait of Malacca. This route has shaped history before. In 1973, oil exports were weaponized during the Arab-Israeli War. During the 1980-88 Iran-Iraq War, tankers were attacked here in what became known as the Tanker War. In recent years too, ships have been seized and targeted near these waters. Today, the energy from Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar and the UAE passes through this corridor, much of it heading to Asia. Qatar sends almost all its LNG through this passage. There are pipelines that bypass it, but most shipments have no real alternative. If Hormuz slows, oil prices rise, and if it shuts, markets react instantly.